Hi, junk journaling friends. This is Lauren with Shabby Chic Sunday. Today is November 1st, which means we have a brand new kit in the craft room for Shabby Art Boutique today. And the newest kit is called Noel. I would describe Noel as rich, luxurious, sophisticated, beautiful, romantic Christmas. It is a culmination of beiges and creams and champagnes and golds and a little touch of green for the holly, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. And so I'd like to share with you my first design team project using this kit by Shabby Art Boutique. And I was thinking about this, I don't think I ever formally introduced my dad, and he has created so many awesome things to contribute to this channel. So my dad's name is Larry, and so this is our first project of the month, the Larry-Lauren duo, and he has created a mailbox. And so we have covered it in all of the beautiful papers from the kit. There is a little slit hole here so that we can put our mailed and sealed envelopes inside that we're planning on mailing off to Santa Claus. And then this part here opens, and inside is a journal. And so this is made of heavy chipboard and covered in the papers from the kit. And I'm going to take you upstairs momentarily to show you the journal that is inside. So I'll see you in a minute. So this is the journal that is inside of the mailbox that I just showed you. And keeping with the whole postal theme, mailing Christmas letters to Santa during the holiday season, I wanted that to be really the epicenter of the theme on my cover as well. And so right here on the front are 2 envelopes from the kit. And of course I had to pick the one that had Santa right here on the front. And then they look like they're just tucked in to the fabric, but they are glued in. Everything is attached then to this vintage lace. And there's a couple of different layers here, some little wispy pearls, and then a applique. There's some applique up here. And the journal is covered in this really beautiful, shiny champagne silk. Kind of a champagne-y gold. And then I wanted to include those accents in the charm dangle as well. So there's a lot of large gold and silver bells on this dangle, and then some really, really tiny mini bells as well. And so it really makes some pretty music as you are playing with it. And then one big bell that's at the bottom too. The ribbon tassel here. And so I hope that this showcases the different touches of the colors that are in this kit. A lot of creams and champagnes, golds. It's just a very classy Christmas. So I went with the same method that I did last time, and I think this is going to be my new fan favorite, where the cover is removable from the actual journal. The reason I like this is because the accordion style allows me to make my journals as chunky as I want, and I don't have to worry about an alligator mouth. And then having it removable allows me to work in the journal without ruining the delicacy of the cover. So I think I might go with this for a while. If you try it, let me know what you think about it. So here's an accordion style journal. And inside each pocket then are removable tags. So I'll tell you that now in case I forget to go through that throughout the video. But here's our first page. And I think what I'm going to go ahead and do now is set this to music while I flip through the rest of the journal to show you. And I will plan on seeing you all very soon. Take care.